Zamalek SC of Egypt are hosting Kaizer Chiefs from South Africa in the CAF Confederations Cup last match of the group stages, in a match that can have serious ramifications for both teams. In this match, Kaizer Chiefs just need to avoid a defeat to make sure that they progress from this Group D, because Kaizer Chiefs are currently leading the CAF Confederations Cup Group D by 10 points. So they just need to ensure that they collect a single point, then they'll be safe, because a defeat might be detrimental to them in case that Al Mazr is able to defeat Zesco United of Zambia, especially by 2 goals or more.